The first step in replacing the bottom cassette on a twin belt stanchion is to remove the bottom belt. To remove the cassette, you first want to remove the 4 screws that connect the top post section to the bottom post section. Be careful to not remove the screws that are located within the cassette. Now make sure to place these screws in a safe location, as you will need them to reassemble your stanchion. Now that the screws have been removed, you can remove the top section of the stanchion to access the bottom cassette. Now you want to loosen the bottom 4 screws on the cassette. It is important to only loosen and not to fully remove these screws. Once the screws are loosened, we recommend using a screwdriver to gently pop out the bottom lock tab on all 4 sides. This will make it easier to remove the cassette from the stanchion. Now to replace the belt, you want to take a new cassette and loosen the bottom 4 screws. This is similar to when you remove the cassette. Just like when removing the cassette, it is important to make sure that you only loosen the screws and do not fully remove them. Now that you have your new belt prepared, you want to insert the new belt into the stanchion. Once inserted, you want to tighten the bottom 4 screws of the cassette. This will secure the cassette in place. To complete the belt replacement process, you will want to reattach the top section of the stanchion. To do this, you first want to place the top section on top of the bottom section. Before you continue, you want to make sure that the belt ends on the top section and bottom section are parallel to each other. If they happen to be facing different directions, simply rotate the top section so that they face the same direction. Once you have the top section in place, you now want to take the 4 screws you removed previously and screw them into the 4 holes on the stanchion. This will secure the top and bottom sections together and complete the lower belt replacement. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us or visit qsolutions.com for more information.